Welcome to Hospitality TV Rwanda, your one-stop channel for all things culinary. Today, we're diving into the world of Michelin stars, global empires, and yes, even some burnt pans as we reveal the top 10 richest chefs in the world. These culinary titans haven't just mastered the art of cooking, they've built empires, amassed fortunes, and inspired millions to get busy in the kitchen. From TV screens to cookbooks, restaurants to global brands, we're serving up a piping hot dish of success, Ramsay style. So, buckle up, get ready for some serious food porn, and let's find out who's got the medal and the millions in the cutthroat world of haute cuisine. And just so you know, our narrator earns an estimated $1 million per year. First up, you've got yours truly, Gordon Ramsay. Yeah, I've got a few quid in the bank, but it didn't come easy. We're talking years of blood, sweat, and more than a few expletives in the kitchen. From my flagship restaurant Gordon Ramsay in London with its 3 Michelin stars to a global empire of restaurants, I've always pushed for culinary perfection. And let's not forget the telly, Hell's Kitchen, Kitchen Nightmares, Master Chef. I've become a bloody brand, haven't I? But it's not all about the money, you know. It's about the passion, the dedication, the relentless pursuit of bloody excellence. And for God's sake, don't even get me started on the idiots who think a well-done steak is acceptable. That's a culinary sin right there. And with all that hard work, my estimated earnings are around $1 million per year. Next up, we've got Jamie Oliver, the cheeky chappie who brought simple, delicious cooking to the masses. He's not just a pretty face, you know. This bloke's got a knack for making cooking accessible, from his early days as the naked chef to his campaigns for healthier school meals. And let's not forget his empire of restaurants, cookbooks, and television shows. He's a bloody machine. Jamie's shown the world that cooking doesn't have to be pretentious or complicated. It's about good ingredients, simple techniques, and a passion for food. He's a true culinary hero, inspiring millions to ditch the takeaways and get cooking. And speaking of culinary giants, Gordon Ramsay earns an estimated $60 million per year. Wolfgang Puck. The name just screams Hollywood glamour, doesn't it? This Austrian-born chef has become a culinary icon, catering to the stars and building a restaurant empire that spans the globe. From Spago, his flagship restaurant in Los Angeles, to his catering company that feeds the Oscars every year, Wolfgang knows how to deliver an unforgettable dining experience. He's got the Midas touch, turning everything he touches into culinary gold. But it's not just about the glitz and glamour, you know. Wolfgang's a bloody good chef, with a deep understanding of flavor and a passion for creating dishes that are both beautiful and delicious. And speaking of successful chefs, Jamie Oliver earns an estimated $30 million per year. Rachel Ray, the queen of 30-minute meals, has made cooking approachable for millions of people. She's a breath of fresh air in the culinary world, proving that you don't need to be a Michelin-starred chef to create delicious food. Her recipes are simple, her personality is infectious, and her business acumen is undeniable. From her wildly popular TV shows to her line of cookware and pet food, Rachel has built a brand that's all about making life easier and more delicious. She's a true inspiration for anyone who wants to cook more at home, proving that good food doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. And speaking of culinary success, Wolfgang Puck earns an estimated $20 million per year, showcasing the incredible potential in the world of cooking. Nobu Matsuhisa, the man who made black cod sexy, has redefined Japanese cuisine for the world. His restaurants, with their sleek design and innovative dishes, are a testament to his culinary genius. From his early days in Tokyo to his global empire of Nobu restaurants, he's stayed true to his Japanese roots while embracing global influences. He's a master of flavor, creating dishes that are both delicate and bold, simple yet sophisticated. And let's not forget his partnership with Robert De Niro, proving that Nobu's got both culinary and business savvy. He's a true icon, proving that Japanese cuisine is more than just sushi and sashimi. And speaking of culinary icons, Rachel Ray earns an estimated $25 million per year. Thomas Keller, the man behind the French Laundry and Per Se, is a culinary legend. With more Michelin stars than you can shake a stick at, he's considered one of the greatest chefs of our time. His restaurants are known for their impeccable service, exquisite tasting menus, and unwavering commitment to quality. He's a stickler for detail, demanding perfection from himself and his team. But it's this relentless pursuit of excellence that has made him a culinary icon. Nobu Matsuhisa, another culinary giant, earns an estimated $10 million per year. Emeril Lagasse, the chef who made BAM a household phrase, is a true culinary entertainer. He's brought the excitement of the kitchen into our living rooms, making cooking fun and approachable. From his early days in New Orleans to his empire of restaurants and TV shows, Emeril has always brought a sense of joy and passion to the culinary world. He's not afraid to experiment with flavors, to push boundaries, and to make a bit of a mess in the kitchen, and that's what makes him so damn entertaining. He's a reminder that cooking should be fun. It should be a celebration of flavor and creativity. And speaking of culinary giants, Thomas Keller earns an estimated $7 million per year. Bobby Flay, the Iron Chef with the killer smile, has conquered the culinary world with his bold flavors and competitive spirit. He's not afraid to go head-to-head with the best of the best, and he usually comes out on top. From his Southwestern-inspired dishes to his burger joints and TV shows, Bobby has built a brand that's all about big flavors and bold personalities. He's a true showman, but beneath the swagger lies a talented chef with a deep understanding of flavor and technique. He's a reminder that cooking can be both competitive and fun, and that a little bit of spice can go a long way. And speaking of culinary giants, Emeril Lagasse earns an estimated $6 million per year. Guy Fieri, the platinum-haired rocker of the food world, has turned his love of diner food into a culinary empire. He's the champion of the underdog, the king of comfort food, the mayor of Flavortown. His restaurants are a celebration of all things greasy, cheesy, and downright delicious. He's not afraid to embrace the kitsch, the over-the-top, the unapologetically indulgent, and that's what makes him so damn likable. He's a reminder that food should be fun. It should be about enjoying yourself, and it should always, always be satisfying. Bobby Flay, another culinary giant, earns an estimated $9 million per year. Alain Ducasse, the godfather of modern French cuisine, is a culinary titan. With more Michelin stars than you can count, he's a true icon of the culinary world. His restaurants are temples of gastronomy, offering exquisite-tasting menus that showcase the very best of French cuisine. He's a master of technique, a champion of seasonality, and a true visionary in the kitchen. His influence on the culinary world is undeniable, inspiring generations of chefs to strive for excellence. He's a true legend, a reminder that French cuisine is timeless, elegant, and always evolving. And speaking of culinary icons, Guy Fieri earns an estimated $8 million per year. So there you have it, the top 10 richest chefs in the world. These culinary rock stars have proven that with passion, dedication, and a whole lot of hard work, you can achieve anything in the world of food. Remember, cooking is more than just a job, it's a craft, an art form, a way of life. So, get in the kitchen, experiment, make a mess, and most importantly, have fun. Don't forget to subscribe to Hospitality TV Rwanda for more culinary adventures, and let us know in the comments below who your favorite chef is. Until next time, happy cooking. And by the way, Alain Ducasse earns an estimated $10 million per year.